Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. And this one is February's 2023 Stamp Club reveal. I still cannot believe every time I say the year and how fast it goes away. And can you believe it's February? Y'all, we got through the year of January. That's what it felt like, right? It was such a long month. If you're not a member of our Stamp Club, what are you waiting for? I'm going to tell you something. Sylvia is really outdoing herself these days. And I'll give her an idea, and she is just nailing it. You guys need to see how good these are. So now's the time to jump into Stamp Club. To get into the Stamp Club, we're going to put the information in the description below. It's a very affordable club. It's only $11.99 a month. That includes your shipping if you're in the U.S. and only $13.49 a month outside the U.S. And I'm super excited to send you a new, never-before-seen stamp set every month. All right, you ready? This one is so cute. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to turn it like this to make sure it's upright. Can y'all believe all these years it finally is? This one's called All About It. I love that name, All About It. It's a robot, y'all. We have needed a robot. How have we not had one in all these years? And now we do. Look how stinking cute. Okay, check this out. You get this big old guy right here, okay? You get this medium-sized guy, because what robot doesn't have to have a tiny friend, right? They just need one. Then let's look at sentiments. How about thanks a bot? Happy bot day. How about a little treat? And best bots ever. Then, do you see this word that says translated? I love this. We decided that robots speak in beep, bop, boop, and all those kinds of mixtures of that. So I'll show you what I did with that to make that make sense. You'll see how it works. This little hello will fit inside the little guy. This flower, this cupcake, and this pixelated heart, I love those so much, will go right inside of him. And then you have all these little kind of atomic images that you can put around your project. And I cannot wait to show you our samples. We had too much fun on these. So let me start with this guy. This is one that Shannon fussy cut for me. And I have to show y'all what she did. She fussy cut these antennae, you guys. I don't even know if they're going to stay. I probably should try to pop them up on something. But how can I cut something that tiny on these little guys? So he may be antennaless when he shows up where he's going. But she was sitting up there going, I am a problem.
Mistakes were made.
So there's the little robot that she cut out for me. And look, I love the little rainbow hearts. That pixelated heart has quickly become my favorite stamp from the set. I think I'm going to use that in a lot of stuff. So there's sample number one. Let's bring in sample number two. I'll show you Shannon's next. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Shannon's is a birthday card for her niece, Lucy, who's having a birthday party here tomorrow at the store. But you guys won't see this until Monday. Her party's on Saturday. So you'll see it on Monday, so I can show you now because she won't see this ahead of time. Look how cute. It says, beep, happy bot day on the front. And I love what Shannon did here. She took that pixelated cupcake and stamped it on the purple background in the tone-on-tone situation. And y'all, this border out here is it's the rectangle postage edge dies. Shannon's gonna get them so I can show you for sure. Okay, so check it out. The purple you're seeing back here is the largest rectangle. This makes it look like it's inset, but it's really another piece cut and sat on top. And then she also used one of the pieces here that have the little dots. Isn't that cute? I love that. Very, very cute. Good job, Shenanigans.
Thanks.
And then my last one is this little guy. I wanted to do something with that round die so bad. This is I put mine away, by the way, but mine is from the same style, but it's the circle. And I just made it where it hung over the edge a little bit so I can make a card out of it. And then I punched out the big, I think these look like gears if you do them like this. That's why I wanted to use it. I cut out the big one, a medium one, and then a smaller one. And then I fussy cut this guy. See, I left his antenna attached. I wasn't about to do all that. But this paper is one of my faves. It is, let me tell y'all what paper it is. It is Heart Eyes from Simple Stories. Y'all, I have a very little bit left in here. I've been using this paper like crazy. Something about these colors, they just speak to me. They're much brighter I don't know if brighter is a word. I want to say the word garish, but I don't think that's fair. They look a lot like harsher on camera. In person, they're not quite that harsh, but I love them so much. And let me show you. So I used a sticker from there that said Heart Eyes. These are stickers, and then the rest is from the stamp set, and this is from the paper pack, these little colors here. And then something I did different was I took my big old heart punch, this guy right here, and I punched out 2 hearts this size, and I popped them up on little foam dots. Do you see that on top of his current eyes? So it would say Heart Eyes. Isn't that cute? I love it. Then on the inside, I did beep, beep, bop, boop, beep. translated, and then this was Sylvia's idea. I thought it was cute. You write whatever you translate it down here. So if it's like, hope you have a wonderful birthday, hope you have a fantastic day, thank you for all you do for me. Like, that's what you translate. And I think that's so cute. All right, guys, I hope you like these samples. These are real cute. We think at this point we're trying to plan Thursday night show. I think Thursday night may be about robots, and it won't be just this. We want to do some 3D projects with some robot stuff too. So if you want to see more of this stamp set in action, be sure to come back Thursday night for our, we don't have a name for that. Craft O'Clock? We'll call it Craft O'Clock, but we don't really have a name for it. But our Thursday night show is at 6 p.m. on Thursday nights. And if you want to get this stamp set, if you aren't in the club, it's available in the store. You can pick it up now. Also, we do a winner. To enter our giveaway each month, all you have to do is do a project using our stamp set, post it in our customer gallery, and you're entered to win a $50 gift card. So the winner for last month will be listed on the top line of the description below. And guys, until next time, bye now.